Hello guys, today we will be solving CSES introductory problem set problem grid coloring one. The problem statement is you are given a n cross m grid where each cell contains one character A, B, C or D. For each cell you must change the character to A, B, C or D. The new character must be different from the old character. Your task is to change these characters in every cell such that no two adjacent cells have the same character. Okay, let's understand the problem statement. So, they have given a n cross m grid in which we have to update the value of each cell such that the adjacent value should not be equal. What does adjacent mean? Adjacent refers to the nearest neighbor, right? So if we have a set AA and BBB and CCC, here for B it's adjacent set, that is on the left side, on the right side, and the cell below it and cell above it should not be equal. Hope that makes clear. Now let's solve the problem. First we'll read our inputs. We'll use map function. We'll create a list to store all our grid values. So let's loop through each element. For row in range n, for column in range m. We'll create a set called present elements in which we will add what we'll add our current element, A of row and column. If row is greater than 0, this is one of the inbound case, right? Like for first element we don't have any adjacent to its left, so let's add it. Add that. And if column should be greater than the 0 for all the elements in our first row, this is the outbound condition. For every other we'll have a previous an element at the top. Okay, so A of this is pretty much it. This will have all our elements that are previously appeared to its adjacent. We don't have to go for the next adjacent because when we go to the next adjacent it will. So what I'm trying to say is when we are at position B, second this B, at the middle one, if we found out its previous adjacents, when we are at this position, we will anyway will validate this for this, right? It's right. So yeah, let's just try and add our new element. So I'll create a available elements, and it will be a list that will have all our characters, all our possible characters, right? Yeah. So yeah, let's just loop for elements in available element. If element is not in our present elements, we'll update our row and column with this element. And let's just break so that we don't want to loop through again. And yeah, they have mentioned if no solution exists, just print impossible. Okay, we'll do that. Although there is a no chance, we can anyway, for any n cross m with this condition, it should be possible to create, we'll create a flag so that, we will we'll create a flag here. Do we need to create flag? Yes, we need to. Flag equals false. Sorry, we'll put it as true. We will put it as flag is false. And if flag is, we'll make it true. If flag is false, we'll just print impossible. Let's just break, and this will come out of this loop. If flag is false, I print break. Although we may need to properly code it, we'll just let's remove this. I don't think it is required. Yeah, if flag is false, then let's just join our elements and print of row. Yeah, pretty much it. Let's try running this code. Okay, if else, if element not in. Okay, I'm just typing like a vibe coder. A B B B B C C D D B C B C A D A D B A B A B A. But yeah, it has updated. We can validate it once if it's required, right? So for each first row was whole AA, now it's B and C, so it's satisfied. We'll remove it. No, we'll keep it. So, and BBBB, it was replaced by DDDD, ADAD, again done, CCCC, BABA. And for each row, you can see its adjacent is unique. Up top, everything. Okay, I'm satisfied with this solution. Let's just upload and see if it's working. Submit. Okay, accepted. Cool. Yeah, this is the problem you are trying to solve today, and